In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change my Google Drive subscription. This process is simple and straightforward, allowing you to manage your Google Drive storage efficiently. Whether you want more space or need to cut down on costs, I'll guide you through the necessary steps. Let's get started on this journey to better manage your storage needs. First, you will need to go to Google One by entering the web address one.google.com into your browser. This is the main hub for managing your Google Drive storage. Once the site loads, you will see a user-friendly interface designed to help you navigate through your options. This step is essential as it connects you to the platform where all your subscription management takes place. If you're not already signed in, don't worry, you'll be prompted to log in with your Google account soon. Next, sign into your Google account. This is the account linked to your Google Drive, so it's crucial to use the correct credentials. You'll enter your email address and password, and then click on the Sign In button. Once you're logged in, you'll have access to all your personal settings and subscription details. This step ensures that your account is secure and that you only manage your own subscriptions. Once signed in, you will be taken to the main dashboard of Google One. Once you are on the Google One dashboard, click on the Settings option. This is usually represented by a gear icon, making it easy to identify. In the Settings menu, you will find various options related to your subscription and storage management. This step is important because it leads you to the area where you can make changes to your current plan. You'll feel more in control of your Google Drive storage as you navigate through these settings. From there, click on Change Membership Plan. This option will allow you to see all available subscription plans. A list will appear, showcasing both your current plan and alternative options. It's a simple way to visualize what changes you can make. This little step is crucial because it helps you decide whether you want to upgrade or downgrade your storage plan. You will see different plans that suit various storage needs. Now, select the storage plan you want, whether you're upgrading or downgrading. Take a moment to review the options available to you. Each plan will display its respective storage capacity and price. It's wise to choose a plan that fits your current and future needs. This step matters because selecting the right plan ensures you won't run out of space when you need it most. Once you make your selection, you can move on to the next stage. After selecting your preferred plan, review the pricing and payment details. This will include the monthly or annual fees associated with your new subscription. Make sure to check for any promotional offers that might be available. Understanding the costs involved is key as it helps you budget effectively. This step ensures that you're fully informed about what you are committing to financially. You'll feel more at ease knowing exactly what to expect in terms of costs. Finally, click Subscribe to confirm the change. This action will finalize your new subscription plan and update your Google Drive storage accordingly. You should see a confirmation message on the screen, indicating that your changes have been successfully applied. This is a reassuring moment, as it confirms that your desired adjustments are now in effect. Remember, you can switch plans anytime in the future, giving you flexibility as your storage needs change. Enjoy your newly managed Google Drive subscription.